sitting here with Bobby Martinez, and Bobby, when did you first start having back pain?
I started having really severe back pain about 3 years ago.
Okay. And you said you did a lot of sort of competitive lifting
Yep.
and a lot of lifting heavy weights and all that wonderful
Yep, I
stuff.
was a competitive power lifter over in Europe.
And then it resulted in degenerated discs
Mhm.
and a herniated disc
Mm-hmm.
and pretty
Yes.
severe problems. You were having a hard time walking.
Yes.
How bad was it?
Bad enough that I could barely get out of bed.
And what were your thoughts at that point in your life?
I had thoughts of being in a wheelchair, being crippled, that this is pretty much, I was fighting that, but that was some of the thoughts that were going through my mind because it was that severe.
And had you thought about surgery?
I had thought about surgery, but I knew from my research that that wasn't really going to be an option for me because all I could see was that it would probably end up
Right.
compounding the problem eventually.
So then you saw our commercial,
Yes.
and what did you think?
Well, I saw it late at night, and 1, 2 in the morning. It was really late, and I thought, well, here's an option. It sounded great, so I sat on it for a couple days. Got the number. I had already wrote the number down. Called and made an appointment, and came in and saw one of your staff.
When you came in, were you nervous?
Yes.
And when you left, were you nervous?
No.
Okay. And so you went through, you decided to get treatment, you went through
Mhm.
treatment. How do you feel now?
I feel fantastic.
And you're walking, no problem?
No problem.
And what would you say to people that would be interested?
I would say definitely give it a try. I mean, it's. I was really at the point of where there are no other alternatives, and I probably should have came a lot sooner if I would have known about it, but I didn't, and now I do, and I can definitely tell you this is something that definitely works.